Johnson Cables. Electricity, one of the greatest technological innovations of mankind. Electricity, a technology that has become an inevitable part of everyone's life. There is no walk of life in which it is not used these days. Be it communication, work, transportation, food or home, we are surrounded by electricity, and therefore it is important that we use high-quality cables and wires to manage it. If not, it can lead to electrical failure or electrical hazard and result in fire, serious injury or electrocutions. Therefore, when it comes to cables and wires, people trust Johnson Cables, a leader in technology, creativity and innovation, offering a durable and robust range of wires and cables that not only ensures safe and reliable operations, but also ensures efficient conduction of electricity throughout the lifespan. Johnson Cables. With the aspiration to emerge as the world's leading cable and wire manufacturer and thus build a safe world, Mr. Chandreshbhai Patel established Johnson Cables by the side of Ahmedabad-Mehsana highway in Gujarat, India. And since then, the company has been consistently delivering quality products to the world. The company has earned accreditation and certification from the best-known government organizations in the world for conforming to the set product quality and service criterion. With almost 35 years of experience, sales exceeding 16 million and about 1,10,000 plus satisfied customers in over 20 countries, today, Johnson Cables is strongly positioned in high-tech markets and capable to produce a single conductor hookup wire to complex multi-conductor and composite cables. With a strong determination to produce world-class quality cables and wires, the company has hugely invested in a technologically advanced manufacturing unit in line with international quality standards, where production of cables and wires takes place under the strict observation of the quality veterans. At Johnson Cables, the cable manufacturing begins with the wire drawing of the IS 8130-2010 accredited copper rod or aluminium rod, wherein the diameter of the rod is drawn out to the required size with the help of the wire drawing machine and passed through the annealing to raise the ductility and conductivity to the greatest extent. The obtained thin wires are stranded together in different cross sections using stranding cum armoring machine to produce low, medium and high voltage capacity cables. To provide zero leakage conduction, each conductor is insulated using PVC, XLPE, TPR, XLPO, NBR material through hot extrusion process. Further, to make sure that the insulation layer does not have any fault, each insulated cable goes through the strict voltage test. For a multi-core cable, the single-core cables are grouped together through cable assembling machine and pass through the voltage test to ensure zero leakage. Additionally, to prevent interfering with the adjacent signal circuits, electric covering screen is applied on the approved quality multi-core cable, whereas steel or aluminium is applied in the form of strip, wire or braid through stranding cum armoring machine to make the cable safe and efficient even under extreme conditions. At last, the armored coating is covered with the PVC through hot extrusion process to protect the cables from moisture, mechanical aggression and other external elements, and over again undergoes to voltage test to ensure zero leakage. The obtained range of the cables and wires undergoes all kinds of IS standard test at our state-of-the-art testing laboratories in order to verify its compliance with international standards as well as customer-specific requirements. Each quality approved cable is marked with the manufacturer, trade name, cable name, standards and stocked carefully at our state-of-the-art warehouse or packed carefully for the shipping. Our Johnson brand range of cables and wires, which is capable to cater to almost any housing, agriculture, industrial or commercial requirement at the world level, incorporates three-core flat XLPE PVC cable made as per IS 8130-2010 quality using annealed electrolytic grade bare copper, heat resistance PVC sheathed three-core flat cables and cross-linked XLPE insulation. The superior tensile strength, greater elongation, excellent resistance to moisture, abrasion, alkali, solvent, grease, cut and scratch-proof sheathing, and long-term reliability makes it absolutely perfect for giving the power connection in agriculture, mines dewatering, irrigation, sewage treatment plants, fountains, aquariums, and open tube well. Single and multi-core cable made as per IS 694-2010 quality standards using 99.97% pure electrolyte grade copper, insulated with PVC material having high insulation resistance and dielectric strength, whereas sheathed with abrasion resistant PVC that is impervious to water, grease and oil. Ideal for power connection of machine, control panels, electric power supply, modern electric appliances and equipment, and for wiring of various electrical installations in dry and damp interiors, accessible in single, 2, 3, 4, up to 24 core. House wire, made as per IS 694-2010 quality standards, using annealed bare copper having more than 100% conductivity, flame retardant FR grade PVC, having high insulation resistance, high temperature index, and dielectric strength to prevent leakage of electric, whereas the flame retardant feature of the insulation ensures complete safety from shock, short circuits, and fires. Also available with FRLS insulation, having special flame retardant quality, emits very low smoke, toxic gases, as well as retards the spreading of fire. Solar cable, made as per IS, IEC and TUV quality standards, using thinned multi-stranded copper conductor having notable strength, longer life and greater copper conductivity. XLLSOH and HRPVC, XLPE, ZHFR or PVC insulation material in order to bestow unmatched protection against UV and extreme weather conditions. Designed and developed in 3 different variants, which all are accessible in the 0.5 QMM to 240 SQMM sizes, and ideal for the interior as well as exterior interconnection of photovoltaic power generation system. Welding cable, made using a supreme quality copper material having high conductivity and high strength and double insulation of flexible nitrile rubber to impart excellent flexibility, strength and durability, along with providing protection against abrasion, cuts, burns, oil, ozone, water, as well as extreme weather. These cables are capable to outperform under the temperature ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to +90 degrees Celsius, and therefore suitable for high voltage electric welding machine to low voltage welding tool. Armored cable, also known as power cables, made as per IS 7098, British, European and international quality standards and specifications, using the copper or aluminium conductor, which is insulated and sheathed with XLPE, HRPVC, PVC material to protect the conductor. Further, it is armored using the galvanized steel or non-magnetic aluminium wire or strip to provide unparalleled protection against high temperature and physical damage without sacrificing flexibility or functionality, and therefore it is perfect for any industrial application. Other than the standard quality range of the cables and wires, we also provide customized electric cables as per your specific needs and project details. Johnson Cables and Wires have proven to be a safe, efficient and long-term solution in every single segment we have served. The plethora of satisfied and repeat customers around the world itself identifies Johnson Cables as a trusted partner for any cables and wires need. Johnson Cables, a safe and reliable source to connect the world.
Now it's time for business news from India. India's leading cables and wires manufacturing company, Johnson Cables, has acquired new heights of popularity. Award-winning company Johnson Cables has received accreditation from many best-known government organisations in the world. Now it becomes one of the most trusted brands in India. The superior quality of Johnson Cables and Wires has impressed the foreign market. Presently, it is exporting to more than 20 countries from India. It is having major stake in residential, industrial and commercial segment. Now it is moving for becoming world leader in wires and cables industry. Johnson Cables. a safe and reliable source to connect the world.